Go. Time. Go, go.
Or should I keep going straight?
I don't know where you live, bro.
Should I say fucking gut?
How much longer do you have?
No, wait, let's go here. Oh, fuck. Bro, that shit is everywhere, dog.
What?
That shit is everywhere.
What is?
Cool. Driving slowly. One is everywhere. Want to put it in the park? Think about putting it in the park and be chilling or not?
What?
It's idling at like 25.
It's idling at 2,500.
No, it's idling at.
I can barely
But
hear
I'm
you.
saying, if we leave it in the park,
If you leave it in the park, is
Right?
it okay?
Oh, I don't know.
like we leave it at this park, right?
Just don't air out. You're on top of the curb.
No, yeah. I know. I pulled in the lot.
Oh shit, Gabe. What the fuck did you do? We got coolant everywhere.
Alright, so I was just, casually driving. It got a little pop.
God, Gabe.
Holy shit, bro, we big chillin'. Look, bro, there's coolant everywhere. I just watched this bitch. Oh my god, I'm pissed.
Oh shit. That is everybody in line for clean culture. It's half a mile long.
Oh my god.
So we have Beeline blocked off right now.
So how does it feel getting $10 to get
You
skipped
gave
on?
me $10 just to hop in front of me in line. I mean, I'm gonna take it, but say less. Thanks, bro, whoever that is.
Right?
Yeah, we've been waiting in line. Oh, copyright, sorry. Yeah, we've been waiting in line for about 25 minutes now. And we're not even close to it yet. So,
Oh shit, that's right.
yeah, it'll be a while. $10 though. Happy birthday to me.
I'm like, it shows like 10 minutes away from, like, it shows make a U-turn in 10 minutes.
Holy shit. I thought there was gonna be a step. Bitch, you're actually on the floor.
Yeah.
God damn.
Everybody starts trying to cut it. But if I see you, that.
So where are we going?
Tech. You gotta pass tech and then we can go out onto the track, even though the line's super long.
God damn.
Damn, this show is fucking. I think this is the most packed I've ever seen PBIR.
Yeah, dead
This is
ass.
bigger than any clean culture I've ever been to. This is wild. Shit.
Wait, no, what about the one in Orlando? Wasn't it the same one? Isn't like,
No, that was
or I feel like,
Simply
oh, that was Simply Clean.
But still, I feel like this is bigger.
Yeah, it is for clean culture. Hell yeah.
Because even then, Simply Clean was mainly like cars. This is, I mean, cars, and they also had the Harley dealership, so they had a lot of bikes too. This is strictly cars. Where's Tech at?
Where the fuck is it?
Oh, it's over there. Alright, we're doing a 40 roll against, looks like an AMG. Go, Mark, go! Thank you. Damn, I trapped at 115. Looks like I'm going up against the SI. Ah, this should be easy. K series. Or maybe I'm going up against the GTI. That shit felt good. I think the GTI just cruised down the track. Thank you. Yeah, bro, trapped at 121. That's sick. Nice, you guys see that? Sick.
Lakey inspired. Fight.